Hi there, students. Repercussion. Repercussions. We normally use this word repercussions to talk about results or consequences of something. Normally indirect consequences of something, or when the effect is removed or distant from the initial cause. So, for example, the repercussions of the war still affect the country in many places. So maybe there are less people to grow food, or travel is difficult because the roads are broken and the railway lines have been disrupted. So these are indirect effects of something else. Stress at work can have serious repercussions on somebody's health. So these are like secondary effects, maybe even unexpected effects. You can also use repercussion to talk about a movement backwards after an impact, to recoil. So there was the repercussion of the blow moved the car back. Or maybe sound bouncing off something is a repercussion as well. But that use is much less common. We use repercussion or repercussions, particularly in the plural, talking about the consequences, the ensuing result of something. You need to think carefully about the repercussions of your actions. The other things that will happen apart from the things that you intended. Okay? These are indirect consequences, and normally they are bad. Poverty can have many repercussions. It doesn't only mean you haven't got money at the end of the month, but it can have many other repercussions. It could lead to crime. I think one of the problems with our society at the moment is we use our cars without thinking about the repercussions of using our car on global warming. So notice, repercussions are normally something negative. I think the repercussions of Brexit will continue to affect the UK for many years to come. There will be expected consequences and unexpected repercussions. Okay, this word repercussion, another one coming from Latin, repercussio, to rebound. Repercutio, so repercutio. The quatio is to shake, as in an earthquake. The per means thoroughly, and I guess backwards. So to shake thoroughly, backwards or again, yeah? Okay, so repercussions. So what about the formality of repercussion? I think this word, it's probably slightly formal, maybe a 6 out of 10, but you can use repercussion informally and you can use it in a very formal document, so nice and flexible. Okay, repercussions, the side effects, the bad side effects that may well be unexpected, indirect consequences of our actions, and normally something bad. Okay, so the repercussions of not studying at school may be that you find it harder to get a job when you finally leave. So repercussions, normally plural. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye for now. Repercussion. Repercussions.